Hey guys, man here, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to title your YouTube videos to get more views. And right now, I'm actually going through the process of titling this video. So you title one tip: title it before you start the video. Have the idea, and before you record it, or before you edit it, title it so that you can say the title in your video. That's what you're supposed to do, you know. So to title your video, I'm gonna be using vidIQ. So you could just type in vidIQ, .com and create an account here. Link also in the description. Let me just copy that right now. And then go over to YouTube and search up some title ideas. So search up how to get more views, score of 29. With 11 search volume, 54 competition, not the best competition, not the best search volume. Competition is what really matters. How to get more views on YouTube has a score of 29. What was this? 29 as well. Same competition. So this is out. Also, this is what I said. 39. That is what I'm using. You know, search volume doesn't really matter as much as the competition score, as long as the minimal or the few people who are searching this come to the video and there's not that much competition with this keyword. You're good. Alright. So this is what I'm gonna title my video with vidIQ. Yeah, so I just usually search a few title ideas that sound good. How to title YouTube videos. We could also search that up. But yeah, this is to get more views on YouTube 2018. How to title your YouTube videos. What is the score on this thing? 12. See, not the best. Not the best at all. So yeah, using vidIQ, you could really title your videos so easily. Hopefully, as you could see, one of my videos I titled with this method is my second most viewed video. But now I title all my videos with that method. This right here, yeah, 13,000 views from this method. It is a great method to use. You'd get 1,000 views probably if you do this easily enough. And stay tuned because I'm going to be trying to make some more videos to help out small channels and stuff like that, stuff like how to tag your videos, how to get more watch time, how to do other things. So yeah, there will be like cards or whatever in the top of the screen when I make those next videos, so be sure you subscribe so that you can see those videos when they come out to help you grow your channel more, get more views, and title and tag your video more easily. So yeah guys, just really hope you enjoyed and found this useful. This is just the best way, in my opinion. You can also use like keyword generators or whatever, but yeah, just try to title or get the title for your video first so that you could say it in the video. That is a great tactic right there. But yeah, guys, just really hope you have a nice day and hope this works for you guys. Have a nice day, guys. And be sure to subscribe to not miss the next YouTube video to help you with that. But yeah, guys, bye. If you're a man out of here, bye, guys.